Alright guys, welcome back to Caveman Crawling. I'm going to be part 3 of the deadbolt versus the world. We're going to do deadbolt versus C10. You guys have been killing it with subscriptions and likes and all the good stuff. If you guys could like and subscribe and comment, and it's all free, it only takes a half a second. I'm going to pass the camera off. We've added some stuff from our expedition into the desert to our wheeling spot. We've added some rocks. Got gates set up. Usual rules: first truck to pass all 6 gates. How am I trying to say this? The first truck with 6 points wins. If you touch the tires, which we're using as gate markers, you lose a point, or you don't get a point, however you want to put it. But I'm going to pass the camera off and we're going to start doing this. Deadbolt can go first.
Well, alrighty then. You made it past the gate though, that's what matters.
Alright, Brandon, try to make it through the gate, because if not, you're taking a point.
Preferably without touching a tire or two. Okay. So, Chevy next, pick a gate.
I'm just going to go through the next one.
Okay. Very nice, very nice. As the deadbolt's rolling in the background.
Please tell me I wasn't just in the camera.
All right. So it's a tight angle you're hitting it from. And that is unfortunately a tire. Calm down, calm down.
Hey, this is a big deal at the HQ. Caveman don't drive Chevy. And I was trying to show off.
Well, it is now currently all tied up 2-2.
No, it's not. It's 3-2.
No, it's not.
1, 2, 3. I didn't pass.
I thought the deadbolt didn't make it past that one.
I gave him another chance because he rolled before he ever even got to the gate.
That's right, that's right. That's right. Alright, deadbolt or Chevy next?
Either deadbolt or Chevy rolled over.
And that is clean. All right.
Tire. And we only got one gate left. So that's what, 4-2?
Yes. No.
Well, because I tied
5-3. No, 5 to
4-3. Now about to be 5-3.
Well, no, because that's all our gates we've gone through.
Okay, but Brandon touch or no? Brandon's gone through every gate flawless, hasn't he?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's 5-3.
Well, 6 now.
Well, all right, guys. It was a pretty short video because in a pretty quick fashion, the deadbolt just absolutely annihilated the Chevy. But if you guys could like and subscribe and comment and let us know if you guys are liking everything, or if you guys got an idea for a video, let us know down below in the comments. The deadbolt is officially 2 points to 1, or 2-1, I mean, for the overall series. I'm probably gonna have to build something specifically to beat the deadbolt, besides the Betty. But all right, guys, that does it for this one. We will see you out on the trail, and thanks for stopping by.